Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to prevent those floating incognito notifications on Google Chrome. If you find these notifications intrusive, follow these simple steps to disable them. First, open your Chrome browser. This is the starting point for adjusting your settings. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your browser window. Clicking on these dots will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Once in the settings, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find options related to your browsing privacy and security settings. Now, locate and click on Site Settings. This section contains all the permissions related to websites you visit. In the Site Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This is where you manage how notifications are handled in Chrome. After entering the notification settings, look for the option that pertains specifically to incognito mode. You may need to scroll down a bit to find it. Finally, toggle the setting to disable floating notifications. By doing this, you'll stop Chrome from displaying those notifications while you're browsing incognito. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can enjoy a more private browsing experience without those distracting floating notifications interrupting your flow. Remember, keeping your browsing private is essential, and managing your notification settings is a great way to enhance that privacy. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.